Hello, I'm Ben, founder of Cycloid. Why Cycloid? We have been talking about DevOps and hybrid cloud for more than 10 years, but organizations are still struggling to unlock those topics. According to the State of DevOps Report 2021, 80% of organizations are failing to scale DevOps adoption, and that number hasn't changed for 4 years. The reason? Too many silos, not enough skilled people, a saturated market with too many tools, and a culture that prohibits scales. What is Cycloid's value proposition? We can be a pillar of your organizational transformation by empowering and upskilling your existing team, as well as improving DevX, the developer experience. How? We offer a collaboration platform dedicated to DevOps and hybrid cloud adoption, allowing you to optimize how DevOps and non-DevOps use technology in the cloud, while working in alignment on common projects. We want to move away from buzzwords like no-ops and everyone is a DevOps. It's a very simple solution. Your DevOps engineering creates a self-service portal via Cycloid, which provides modules such as governance, deployment, FinOps, and operation management. With this, you have your DevOps have to deal with fewer tickets and can, instead of focusing evangelization, automation, and industrialization, and your non-DevOps team feel empowered and are finally comfortable with handling your infrastructure's automation and deployment. The outcome? You are simultaneously improve time to market and the digital transformation of your organization while keeping your teams productive and happy. It's a win-win situation.